Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Once your content is prepared, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up right here and telling you that if you swipe up you can share it, and swipe down you can capture a scrollable screenshot, and after a moment it will disappear. Now this kind of information only shows up once. Later on it's just gonna look like this, but no, typically they will have no info. Fine, let's try it again, and there we go. So as you can see, now it's not giving us the information anymore. Now, the screenshots that I have captured can be now found in the gallery application, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, agree. Get started. There we go. And it will be visible right in the Photos tab as the newest one, assuming you have just captured them. But later on, if you're trying to find your screenshots like weeks down the line, you can quickly do so by going into the albums and locating the screenshot album, where you will see strictly screenshots and nothing else. As you can see, here are the 4 different ones that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.